We'll be here until 2:30. Best of me.